Imagine a highway, but not just any highway. This highway is alive. It pulses with intelligence. It's an AI highway, the future of transportation. AI highways use artificial intelligence to make travel safer and more efficient. They are no longer a science fiction dream. They are rapidly becoming a reality. These highways will change how we move. They will connect cities in ways we never thought possible. Buckle up and let's explore this exciting frontier. AI is integrated into every aspect of these smart highways. Sensors are everywhere, collecting and transmitting data. This data is like the nervous system of the highway. It tells a central AI system about traffic flow, road conditions, and potential hazards. Self-driving cars are a key part of this system. They talk to the highway and each other, ensuring smooth and safe journeys. This interconnectedness allows vehicles to optimize speed and routes, reducing congestion and travel time. The benefits of AI highways are immense. Safety is paramount. With AI at the helm, the roads become a sanctuary of security. Accidents caused by human error will be a thing of the past. Imagine a world where collisions are rare, and the fear of crashes is significantly diminished. AI drivers are always alert, never tired, and react much faster than humans. These systems are designed to handle complex driving scenarios with precision and speed. This means fewer accidents and safer roads for everyone. The ripple effect of this safety extends to pedestrians and cyclists as well. Efficiency is another major advantage. AI systems streamline traffic flow, ensuring that vehicles move smoothly and without unnecessary stops. AI optimizes traffic flow, reducing congestion and wasted time. This means less time spent in traffic jams and more time for productive activities or leisure. This saves fuel and reduces emissions. Cleaner air and a healthier environment are direct benefits of these advancements. And with AI managing the complexities of driving, we can sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. The future of travel is not just about reaching a destination, but enjoying the ride along the way. Section 4. Challenges on the road ahead. But the road to the future is not without its bumps. As we move towards a world where AI and advanced technologies dominate our transportation systems, we must navigate numerous challenges. These obstacles are not just physical, but also technological and societal. Building AI highways is a massive undertaking. It involves not only the construction of new roads, but also the integration of smart technologies that can communicate with vehicles and infrastructure. It requires huge investments in infrastructure, technology,